Do you want to know how to make money online without showing your face in the travel industry? Stay tuned. Maybe you want to sample the different cuisines in China. Maybe you want to travel the world and get away from weather like this. This is good old English weather. How lovely. Or make money whilst walking the streets of London. Hi guys, whatever the reason it is that you want to make money, it doesn't matter. But I'm going to show you how to make money online without showing your face, and I'm going to show you 3 different channels from the travel industry. Then I'm going to show you how you can make these yourself, really easy, and then I'm going to show you how you can fast track it and not only make money from YouTube AdSense, you can also make money a different way, yeah? Because as you already know, or you might not know, is you need 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers before you can start earning from ad revenue. But I'm going to show you how to make money before you get that stage. So without further ado, guys, let's get into this. And looking at the first channel is one called Travel and Pleasure. It's a smaller channel compared to some of the other ones. It's got 15,100 subscribers. It's making between 12, sorry guys, I'm just going to turn my phone off, between £12 and £192. That's a month. As you can see, it's not always making money, guys, but some of the videos are really easy. Now, these are just like stock videos, stock images, and with a little bit of a voiceover. Now, I will show you how to make these. They're simple, they're easy. If we go on to the next channel, which makes this one has got a lot more subscribers, as you can see, it's making between 1,100 to 16,900 a month. As you can see, it's making money each day. These are different prices between these, yeah. And these are making similar kind of videos, guys. These are just videos, like stock videos and videos from like local markets. And if you travel to these places, then you just make videos. You don't have to be in the videos. And next one, I'm not sure if you've heard of these, but these are a popular YouTuber, Mojo. They make movies and lots of different other videos, different channels. This one's Mojo Travels. And again, they're just like listing like the top 10 places, top 10 worst airports, top 10 cities. And these are quite easy, guys. You just search on Google for whatever you want to make. So you might make like top 10 restaurants in Abu Dhabi, top 10 theme parks in America, and just things like that, guys. And you can use stock images, you can use stock videos, you can use clips from other people's videos under the fair use. Make sure you give them credit, guys. And if you want to look at these are making 174 to 2,800 a month. Now, these ain't making... Yeah, I thought Mojo would have been making more, guys, but they clearly ain't. You can see they're making money each day. Now, if you don't want to make these videos, guys, you can come over to a place called Fiverr or Upwork. I've just typed in travel article, and you can see you can get these made for different like prices. Now, it's in English, pounds, because that is where I'm from. But like, he will write you a thrilling travel article within 24 hours, yeah? He'll create a blog article. If you don't want blog article, you can turn them into videos. I will show you how to do this. You can click on them and look. But it's different prices, guys. Good to come and have a look. You can type in like travel videos, travel like top 10 lists and stuff like that. You can all, but if you want to make these yourself, guys, you've got a video editor, you can come over to places like Pixabay and Pexels. Now, I've typed in Bangkok because we looked at like he's got Bangkok one, yeah. So I've typed in Bangkok. You can clearly see stock videos. Yeah, I've typed in videos, Bangkok videos. You can have stock images, but you click on them, right? But if you don't want to download things to your computer and you want to make it faster, then this is how you're going to fast track it, guys. There's a program called InVideo. I've typed in travel. Look at all these different videos. You've got like travel packages, memoirs, travel adventure, travel intros. You can make your own intro. Travel collage. If you want to do stock images, like you could do like the top 5 beaches, and then have lots of different images. Different services. You can show like different hotels, or best hotels to go. And look, it's got so many, guys. Even like there you know, top 5 destinations. You could just download this, guys, and upload it straight to your channel. Yeah, just tweak it a little bit, put your logo on it, and there you go. You've got a video already made. And that's a good thing about this, guys, because there's so many different videos you can do, and you can just tweak them. You can make your own. You can add to it. But also, if you come back to the beginning, you can do these. They were called pre-made templates. Yeah, you can also do text to video. So if back on Fiverr he writes you an article, all you need to do, guys, is upload it to the text and video, and it will automatically make your video. Yeah. I'm gonna click turn off for a little load. Yeah, so it'll automatically put the text already on the video, and you can choose whichever one you want. And there's lots of different ones. It all depends what style you like, guys. Yeah, you can make them like this. And put like the images in the background, and then why I said it a fast track it, guys, because if you come to the section where sorry guys, let me just go back. If you look, other than text to video, if you were going to use the Fiverr way or your pre-made ones, you can do a blank canvas. Now this is a blank canvas. I've typed in on the video section here, because you can have images or video, typed in Bangkok, and you've look all these different videos from like Pixabay, Pexels, and all them. Yeah, you've got them already pre-made, pre-loaded into InVideo. So all you have to do then, you just drag it across, guys, and it'll automatically, you can say use full video, and it's automatic there. If you don't want that on it, just delete it. You could have a title on it, yeah. Then you could add a scene. Yeah, let's add another scene, build your own scene. Back to videos. Drag another one on. Useful video. And there you go, guys. You're starting to build your video. Now you can come to text, and you can add your own text. You can have different headings, different styles. Yeah, you've got music to play on it. You can upload your own stuff if you were going to go down the road of Pixabay and Pexels. And that's how easy it is, guys. You can make videos yourself, dead simple, using stock footage, stock images, bit of title, bit of creativity there, guys. Or you can use their own, what they've already made, and just tweak them. Now, if you ain't got the 1,000 subscribers or the 4,000 watch hours, yeah, there is there's places like ClickBank where you would type in, like I've just typed in languages, yeah. You can look at different ones. Some are not earning the very good money, so I'll stay away from these guys. But then there's other, like that was page 3, by the way. And there's others what are paying commissions and that, yeah. If you like, these are the languages. Now, if you're talking about, I don't know, French, you could advertise that link in your description. If someone to click on it and buy it, you're going to make a commission. And you can go to places like Share a Sale. I've typed in languages again, just different ones. Now, like Chinese, you could use this affiliate link in your description, or you could go down what travel channels do, guys, and you could go to places like TripAdvisor. Yeah, all you do on Google, you type in whichever company you want, leave a space and type affiliate, and it will bring you to the affiliate page. Now it tells you all about it, why join, what commissions you're going to get, etc. You can also go to a place called Agoda Partners. Yeah, you can earn money by being the affiliate for them. You read all about it and see which ones you want. You can put a few different links in the description, guys. So if people were to think, right, I don't want TripAdvisor, but I do like the sound of Agoda, and they click on that, you're going to make commissions, guys. Also, you've got booking.com, it's the popular one. These are really good. Put the link in your description after you've signed up and you can make another commission. And there you go, guys. It is that easy. This is a travel industry, and I've shown you different ways how you can make extra money. Then just think about it, guys. When you're making money from affiliate marketing and Google AdSense, it's going to be like passive income, because the more popular your videos get, the more people are going to see them. So then it'll come to a point where, like, let me just find it, guys. This guy, he's not uploaded for over 2 years and he's still making money. Now, I know the guy who's got this channel, yeah? He also teaches how to make money on YouTube, and he's always in a different country making a video, yeah? So why don't you do that? You start making these videos, yeah? You can top 10 things, yeah? Best places to go, different beaches in the countries, different theme parks. There's lots of different ideas you can do in the travel industry, and you can do it all at the comfort of your own home. Now, I showed you a video earlier of my country. It's always raining. Here it is again. This is good old English weather. Now, how lovely. Wouldn't it be nice to sit in a nice warm country with a nice cool drink, uploading a couple of videos each day, which takes about 5 to 10 minutes, yeah, and then making a commission, paying for your holiday, paying for your hotels, yeah? Think about it, guys. Now, if you like this video and you want to see more of these, then please check out the channel, give us a subscribe, give us a thumbs up if you really like it, and comment below, guys. What kind of channel do you want to start? What kind of channel do you want me to make next? Do you like the travel industry? Is there any place you want to go? Let us know, guys. Feel free to say hello. Until next time, guys, I'm Jay Roberts, the Geeky Dad. This is Building My Empire. Goodbye.